Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So this time we have a piece of Wenge on the lathe, and right now we are just marking out for a mortise. And now for a foot. Alright, we've got the camera turned around and the lathe turned on, and we are going to start by turning it to shape. And the first tool we are using is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Just going around the bottom there. Going right up to the foot. There we go. And now connecting the foot to the top and getting our platter shape. Also, let it be known that all tools, cutters and even the lathe is listed down in the description if you are interested. Here we go, taking a few final passes now. And there you go. Alright, so now we are going to make the mortise. First tool we're going to use now is the detailer. Now we're going to clear it all out using the number 1 hollower. Flatten it all off using the rougher. And back to the detailer to match the angles of the jaws in the chuck. There we go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so this is now 240 grit. And there you go. Alright, we're now going to clean off that grain using a bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. There we go. And some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. Go, just buffing it in now. And last few wipes. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to add some silver embellishing paste wax. Just going to wipe this all over. Make sure we get nice even coverage. And start the lathe off slow. Speed it up and then buff it in. Once again, be careful not to push too hard. You want to wipe any of it off or too much of it off. And there we go. Just buff it in. Here is some sheen microcrystalline wax. Wipe this all over as well. Let the solvents evaporate and then buff it in. Be careful not to push too hard. You want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. Just build up that heat. And there you go. Alright, we've got it flipped round in the chuck now. So now we are going to hollow it out. Here is the #1 hollower. Here is the finisher. Here's the #1 hollower again. These are looking to go a little bit deeper. And back to the finisher, just so we can clear up any lumps and bumps that might have been left behind. And we're going to finish off with that rim. Alright, there you go. And now on to sanding. So once again, just sanding to 240. There we go. Clean the grain out with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some spray on sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. Here we go, last few wipes. And some silver embellishing paste wax. Gonna wipe that all over, get nice even coverage. And now buffing it in. There we go. And finally some microcrystalline wax. You just buff it in. Being careful not to push too hard. You want to wipe off any wax that you've just put on. There you go. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.